In this video, we're going to be looking at placing images within Adobe Illustrator and how to do so. Now, images are raster and will not export from Illustrator in vector form like anything that you actually create within the program will. However, they can be extremely helpful within your workflow. So let's start off by looking at a couple examples of how you might use images in your workflow. One example, and probably the most common, is you can import an image, reduce its opacity, and then use it as a base template to trace over with the pen tool or some sort of other tool within the program. For example here, let's say I needed an icon of the state of Illinois. I could bring this map in, use my pen tool to trace that outline of the state, and now I've got a vector graphic of the state of Illinois. Another example is using images to create color palettes. So let's say I was working on some sort of project and I need to use this image to create my color palette, or I was just inspired by the colors in this image. I could go ahead, select these squares down here, use my eyedropper tool to select these tones from the image and create a quick color palette. One other example would be creating quick mockups, such as this here. If you just need to create a quick proof, maybe you're creating a t-shirt design, you want to drop this base image in and see how the design is looking on a shirt. Now let's go ahead and take a look at how we can actually place images within our Adobe Illustrator workspace. There are two main ways to do this. We can either copy and paste an image into our workspace, or we can place files that are already saved on our computer. Let's look at copying and pasting first. I'll open up Safari here, and let's say that I have a t-shirt design I'm working on for a brewery, and I need to trace an image of a hop. I could right click, hit copy image, open my Illustrator file back up, and then hit Command V on my keyboard to paste that image into my document. Alternatively, if I already have the images I need saved on my computer, I can go to File, Place, and then I can select whichever images I want to import. In this case, I'll select all of these images, hit Place, and then I can click anywhere in my workspace to import that image at its native resolution, or I can click and drag to import the image at the desired size. In this way, you can quickly create mood boards or bring in all the reference images you need for designing quickly and easily.